Hey there viewers, welcome back to the shop. We have a caravan here, and to be specific, it's an 08 caravan. We are doing a right front outer tie rod. So I'm going to bring you guys along. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Get in the air, take the tire off. First step, we're going to take this jam nut off, and that's a 22. We're going to just loosen it. Once you have that loose, we'll take the nut that holds it on. It's an 18. This will happen sometimes. It actually popped out of the knuckle, and now what happens is the ball just spins. So now we're gonna have to get a little creative here. Okay, so what I did, because since there's Loctite on this bolt, it gets stuck and then spins the ball joint. It's easier for me to just cut it. If you're at home, you can put some heat to it, vice grip the bottom. Should come out, but for me it's easiest to cut it. Now once you have it off, what I like to do is count how many times it turns off. Okay, now I had to heat it up because it was seized, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now what I like to do is to clean the threads up, I'll get a socket and run the nut up and down, just so when I do the alignment it's really easy. So next step I like to do, put a good helping of anti-seize on the threads, and install your tie rod, counting how many turns. So you want to line up, when you tighten the nut at the top, it comes with a cotter pin. That cotter pin goes through the hole, through the castles on the nut. So you put that through. And then fold one end over. Then you gotta cut or wrap it around. Good. And then tighten up the jam nut again. And then you can now ready to do your alignment. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until next time, folks.